my dear students. It is my third class on YouTube. In previous two classes we have seen introduction to your syllabus and some other things related to UG program. So in this class, let us directly begin to your one of the poems of your syllabus, that is If, written by Rudyard Kipling. He was a Indian born British poet, right? He was a Indian born British poet. He got Nobel Prize in literature in the year 1907. He was a famous poet, right? He has written even novels also. So now, before going to this poem, let us now talk about something. About the poem. This poem, it is very a famous poem. It is a inspirational poem. It is a motivational poem, right? Which discusses about how to face the problems in life, how to stay strong, how to face the comments of the others, right? Negative thoughts of others, right? How to stand, that is by keeping our head straight, that is headstrong in the society, and even this poem contains maxims of life, as it is a philosophical poem, right? And this poem also talks about how to be a successful person in life. If you want to become a successful person in life, what are the rules we have to follow? How to mold our personality? That's very important. To become a good human being, to be a great personality, accepted by at least few people, right? It is to be accepted by the others. But at least to our own self, we can be satisfied. So to lead that satisfactory life, or to become a successful person in life, we need to have our own set rules. Okay, so about these things this poem discusses. And this poem was published in their collection of poems called Rewards and Fairies in the year 1909. So before starting with this poem, let me read out something. Read the poem first, line by line, and later let me explain at least one para. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you, if you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too, if you can wait and not be tired by waiting or being lied about, don't deal lies, or being hated, don't give way to hating, and yet don't look too good nor too talk wise. If you can dream and not make dreams your master, if you can think and not make thoughts your aim, if you can meet with the trip and disaster and treat those two impostors just as the same, if you can bear to hear the truth you have spoken, twisted by knaves to make a trap for fools, or watch the things you gave your life to broken, and stoop and build them up with worn out tools, can make one heap of all your winnings and risk it on one turn of pitch and toss, and lose and start again at your beginnings, and never breathe a word about your loss if you can force your heart and nerve and serif to serve your turn long after they gone, and so hold on when there is nothing in you. Expect the will which says to them, hold on. If you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, or talk with kings, nor lose the common touch, if neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you. If all men count with you, but none too much. If you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run. Yours is the earth and everything that's in it, and which is more, you will be a man, my son. Okay? As we see this last line, that is last word in this last line called my son, we can understand this poem is addressed to the readers. And in this poem, the lines are clauses to the one another. The conclusion to the whole theme is at the end. Just the first lines are like a conditioning. He is putting conditions for every line. If. So all the lines are like a clause to the previous line. Okay, let us see the first line. That is, if you can keep your head. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you. See it. To be a good human being, to succeed in life, we should be calm. See, in our life, many people come and go. Some people praise us, some people talks in a negative manner about us. They degrade us. Some people, they help us, they motivate us, and people talk positive about us, about our work, in our mission, right? Here, ultimate aim of our life is to be a successful person in life, to lead a successful life. That successful life means what? It doesn't mean that a life without hindrances, a life without problems. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಜನರಿಗೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ತನ್ನದೇ ಆದಂತ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿವೆ. ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳು, ಚಿಂತೆಗಳು ಇವನ್ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಬದುಕುತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲೂ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜನರು ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ಬರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ತಳ್ಳುವರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. some people, they are there to motivate us, to push us towards our goal, and some people, they are there to drag us. ಅಂದ್ರೆ drag means what? ಕಾಲು ಇಡುವರು ಬಹಳ ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ. So here we should not think about the people who are dragging us down here. So it's very important thing. Just we should look upon to our aim, to our height, right? We should soar in the height, right? That we should not be touched by the people who are standing down there to touch our feet and drag us down. So ಯಾವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಎಳಬೇಕಂತ ಯಾರು ಕುಂತಿರ್ತಾರ ಕಡೆ ಅವರ ಕೈಗೆ ಸಿಗದೆ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾರಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲನ್ನ ಅವರು ಎಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ನಾವು ಅವ್ರಿಗಿಂತ ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಅದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. In the society we have to become a successful person, and There are some people, they cannot tolerate our success in life. They cannot tolerate our, good things in our life. If we are going towards, reaching a goal, or else we are improving from the previous condition, state, people cannot bear this. They are there, they lose their coolness about us. They lose their temperament. That they talk like jealous. They become jealous. So this is what common in life. This is common in this society. So we should not focus towards such a negative people, right? We should not spare our precious time towards such a people, right? Let them blame, let them talk in a negative manner about us, right? But our aim is to solve our problem, to think about our further life, right? To take their negatives as a positive, right? We should have the capacity or thinking that to convert their negatives in a positive manner. It is said that there must be a critic for every person in front of him only. If there is not a critic, right, we cannot improve, right? So this is what first line. Let us see the next line. If you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too. See here, we should have faith in ourselves. We know what we are, right? We know what we are here. But some people doubt us. Some people talk negative about us. Why should we think about that? Why should we, give our mind towards that? We should be faithful in ourselves. We should be faithful in our, capacity, capability, ability. We should not give importance to such doubts at all. If we know what we are, what is our capacity. Also, one option is with us, that we can think about their doubts. Why they are doubting about us like this? What made them to doubt like this about us? What is the reason behind that? Because after all, a person can commit mistakes in life, right? As Alexander Pope said, rightly said, that to err is human, to forgive is divine. That is, man committing mistake is common in this world, and that is left to the God to forgive. Right? So man commits mistake. That's why I said in the previous line while telling that we should take the comments as a positive. We should have the capacity to convert them into positive, and we should understand the reason behind that. Why they are commenting like this? What may be the reason behind that? So this should be capacity we should have. And one thing we should keep in mind that we should not be demoralized. We should not lose faith in ourselves, right? Thinking that people are commenting in a negative manner, in a bad manner. Let them to think about. Let them to, allow them. See? But make allowance for their doubting too. Let them to doubt. Right? Always a person cannot find out his own faults. Definitely, certainly, we need someone to point out. All the time we cannot see our own mistakes, what we have committed. Right? So, we should allow them to doubt and comment us. So, let us see next line. If you can wait, not be tired by waiting or being lied about, don't deal in lies. See here, if you can work hard. See here, if you can wait and not be tired by waiting, if you can work hard, if you are strong to work, strong enough to work, if you have that capacity, then who is there to stop you? Who is there to stop you and drag you? Who is there to pull you down? Nobody is there. Provided we must be patient. We must be patient. Patiently we have to carry out. And the result automatically comes later. Right? As there are number of real examples where we have lost our big opportunities by losing our patience. So we have to be patient with patience in life. Right? Result will be always based or dependent on our positive deeds. Or being hated, don't give way to hating, and yet don't look too good nor talk too wise. People may have their hatredness towards us. People hate us. Yet we should not hate them. Just take their comments, hatredness, but we should not give away to that. If suppose people are like that, we should not become like that. Right? It is not good to be like that. If we do so, there will not be a difference between those and we people. Right? And in this society. So in this society, we are not supposed to look good always. So, because there are some people who are there to take the advantages of this. Right? Let us have good qualities, but not be too good to others and not talk too good to others. If we do so, this will be a negative for us in our life. Right? Always there is a one saying in Kannada, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬಗ್ಗಿದವನಿಗೆ ಮೂರು ಬುದ್ದು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ವಿನಯತೆ ಅಂತ ಬಹಳ ಅತಿ ವಿನಯತೆ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ನಕಾರಾತ್ಮಕತೆ ಕಾದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಲೈಫ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ poem, first stanza. Remaining 3 stanzas are there. We will see them in the next class and go through this video. Watch this. Right? Try to understand. If you do not understand, please talk to me. Give me comments. Alright? Give me suggestions. I will try to adopt them in the next video.